na po me. Another weekend. Hiking. Ang mga day off. Dahil mga bago diyang naon. Okay, another weekend. Money, big potholes. Almost to the trailhead. Yung mga lunangan. So many potholes. First. Asa to? Ang trailhead. Dara. Okay, ladies, good luck. Let's do this. This trail is open. Malamig ang simoy. Hangin. Excited na sila, oh. Singkid. Excited. Ayaw pod. Yeah. Uphill. Kumbate. Uphill. Yeah. Kumusta? Kaya pa? Na, last assault. First assault. First pa. Yeah. It's not 1 mile yet. Oh, almost. Oh, it's so deep. There's the wildflower. Lahi po siya, no? Nga bulak. Pangmalakasan. Pangmalakasan na trail. Tininood. Oh, iwan na hard. Hard na gyud. Hindi na gini easy. Yeah, I like it. Ano gud mula bumuga ko. Pahuway. Rest. Kay napay ang aton. Mga kahoy. Wala pa wala kita naka 2 miles. Almost pa. Naka 2 na? 1.4 pa. Almost 1.5. Rest. One step at a time. Kumbate. Go. We can do it. Oh jeez, this trail is crazy. Kaya in all the trails, this is the hardest. Constant assault. Oh. Taas na ta. What's the elevation?
1,395 feet.
Pila?
1,395.
Oh wow.
Elevation.
Well, it's fun. Fun na lang. Can you say?
Sigurado alaman imong mga laka nga diri jud ka pa ingon.
Ayaw intaw kaligid ay.
Ayo tigliko.
Don't miss your steps. Hi, Pod. Hi. Wala na. Luyang lawas. Haggard.
Oh my god.
Reward. Hinay.
The falls.
Hinay diha og mo-slide sa bubos. Kita mo kay dato ibaba. Atong pikas. It's like a bench up here. Oh, this is, you can see the view. The view is so pretty. Oh, what's so pretty? I love it. We made it here halfway.
Good photo.
Trail. Uy. Uy, yeah, uy. Oh, wow. Ang pag nagkuan. Nag-cover up. Careful. Careful. The trail is dangerous. Yes.
Succulent.
Mura.
Mura siya doon. Kining fuzzy.
Pila ka miles? Almost 3 miles naman siguro. I so love it.
Hello, can I stay?
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. No weapons, no pets. Olympic National Park. Ang ato na po. Oh my goodness. Never ending. Never ending uphill. Ay, ay, ay. Ready.
Hello, super siya.
Kaya pa. Go, go. Pastilan.
Okay.
Cute. That's so cute. Yeah. The beauty of the mountain. Lagyo na kayo mig. Gabulag-bulag. Ah, natong usa. Okay pa kaday. Hinay-hinay lang. Whew. Goodness gracious. 1 mile more. One long mile. Ano yan? The longest 5 mile of my life. Never ending. But the view is so gorgeous. Okay lang. I'm good. Wag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Selfie time. Selfie time. Oh, wala. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, another pretty flower. Pasensya na. I can't help it. I can't help it. Mura man punta dihag kuan, piso na lang.
Murag 50 centavos na magkandiday.
Sa naman tao ni. Oh my gosh. It's scary. Pretty. Nice kay sila lang tawon na. Palay ka. Maayo ni sila mamaklay. Yung mga bayhanan ni. Kahit ako. Very good ladies. Good job. There's snow. There's still snow. Look at that wildflower. Oh, kaprete. We're finally here. Deer Park. After 5 mile something. No drone allowed. Kainan na. Lunchtime.
I'm a sponsor today.
Gutom ng bitok. Tay balo ni mo diha. Oh, healthy kay iya ha, oh, char. Muha day, usahay mo diha. Oh, healthy po kay iya ha, oh. Pauli na mi. It's time to go back. Go back to the trail. 8.44 miles.
Dali ra kayo.
Paspas kayo basta pa kuan na dulhog.
Gidaganan naman.
Gidaganan.
Padidit.
Padidit. Muni among tabunan ng clouds ang mountain.
Nice kita na.
Oh yeah. Oh, may mga sapatos na mo pang malakasan. Merel, baka naman. Nice na Merel shoes, good for hiking. Sakto kay gripping. Ayan. Grip downhill. Perfect day for hiking. Going downhill is the hardest. I like to run. It's much easier. It's much easier idagan. Takilid, kanya-kanyang strategy. Oh my goodness gracious. Kaya pa? Oh, hinahinay. Hinahinay.
Takilid.
Kilid-kilid. Finally, we're back. Thank you, Lord, we made it. After 11.72 miles. The 5 hour and 56 minutes. Very good. Very good kaayo. Good job.